Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to eat you. No, you will not eat my viewers and subscribers. Today we today I'm going to show you which thing I want to show you. Yes! Pokemon! Yes, Pokemon! Gotta catch them all! Pokemon! Yes, Pokemon! Gotta catch them all! Unbox this Pokemon figure pack! Yes!
Yay!
Go, go, go! Okay, so now let's open it. Oh wow! There is lots of Pokemon. Oh wow! There is lots of Pokemon figures, and some I know their names. Okay, so guys, I know lots of Pokemon. I know Pikachu.
Pikachu!
Pikachu. Choo! I love Pikachu. Pikachu does Thunderbolt and quick attack. And it can do lots of attack. I love Pikachu. Pikachu does Thunderbolt and quick attack. And those are my favorite. Who love Pikachu? Subscribe and electrocute the subscribe button. Yay!
So please subscribe Usher World and make his family bigger.
Bigger and videos more bigger. Yay! Achoo! Achoo! Now it is the chance for Eevee. Eevee is a very furry Pokemon, very furry and cuddly. She does tackle move that can tickle the other Pokemon, very funny type. Yes, right guys?
Yes!
It is very funny. Now let's put Eevee right here. Eevee. E. Now the next Pokemon is Wobbuffet. Wobbuffet. He is the Pokemon with Team Rocket, and Team Rocket is the bad guys
Bad guy.
of Pokemon series.
Okay.
Wobbuffet.
Boba
Fat.
Fat.
Pikachu does Thunderbolt, then they all fly in the sky,
Oh yay!
and he says Wobbuffet like that. Let's put him here.
Okay. Looking all very cute.
Yes, but he does not look like cute.
Not cute.
Yes,
Funny.
yes, funny.
Very funny look.
It's for Ocelot. Ocelot. This is the pigeon Pokemon.
Pigeon. Wow.
He can fly very high. Yay! Woohoo! Fly! He got very good colors. Brown fur.
Wow.
He looks cute. Very cute.
Very cute.
If this was in real life, I want to catch him. Pokemon.
I think there are so many lovers of Pokemon series.
Yes. And I am one of them.
You are one of them of lover.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's put Ocelot here. Oh,
Oh,
he fell.
stand down. No.
Yes, there. So now the time is for Popilo. He is a bird Pokemon. He is like a ball-shaped beak.
Oh, pink.
Yes. Yay! He looks
All
cute.
Pokemon characters are very interesting, Asher.
Yes.
Mm.
Some are air type, some are bird type, and some are electric and mouse type.
Okay.
Let's put him here. Fitted is a cat Pokemon, and she comes in Sun and Moon series.
Sun and Moon,
Moon
series of
series.
Pokemon.
Yes.
And
And
Blue. Abir also want blue Pokemon. Want blue Pokemon?
yes.
See?
Yes. Yay! Now it is the time for Sword and Shield Pokemon.
Also come from Moon series. Sun and Moon series of Pokemon.
I don't remember because I watched that series a long time ago.
Okay.
So this is Sword and Shield Pokemon.
Oh.
It is like it is waving his hand in the air, like it is going to punch somebody.
Somebody.
Ah!
Oh. Pokemon character.
This is Labrador.
Rambator.
I think it's his name, Labrador.
Pokemon.
Yes. If it is not the real name of this Pokemon, you can comment down below to tell me which Pokemon's name is this Pokemon. I think this Pokemon's name is Labrador. If it is not the correct name, so you can comment down below and tell me which is the name of this Pokemon. Okay. And it looks like a metal type because it's got like stripes going on. Like it is like metal type. It is metal type and spike type Pokemon. Yay! And it got one spike on the back. And
Front and one back. And one is beak.
It is one thing.
One beak is also like a spike.
Oh, and it can fly.
Fly.
But if Pikachu flies, he will fall down. Hello. Oh, I'm okay. Put Ocelot on his head. Oh, Ocelot fell. Let's put him here. Here and Mitten here. Oh, Mitten fell. There. There is all the Pokemon you will get in this Pokemon Battle Multi-Figure Pack! Yay! I'm going to sing a Pokemon song. 3, 2, 1, go! Pokemon, got to catch them all. It's so true. Everything is true. You teach me, I teach you. Pokemon, got to catch them all. Pokemon. So hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and like it and share with your friends. Bye bye. And my Pokemon want to say bye bye. Bye. Pokemon. Pikachu.
Thank